Hey, what's up? The new day, the new video on our channel, Tech Brothers. We continue to review Honor 8X, and this time we want to talk about camera of this phone. If you missed, we already made unboxing video and performance test. You can watch them by the links in description. The camera test of Honor 8X will be very interesting, because the camera is one of the main features of this phone. As you know, the camera is an important part of any smartphone, perhaps even the most important. So you need to see real photos, available shooting modes, and other information about shooting before buying any smartphone. Hope our video will be useful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers. Let's start the review. Honor 8X has a dual camera setup on the back, 20 megapixels main sensor with f1.8 aperture and 2 megapixel secondary sensor for depth effect. I want to note that the second sensor on the back is real, and it is used for taking photos, unlike many other Chinese phones. You can see the second sensor in Antutu and other benchmarks. The front camera has 16 megapixel sensor with f2.0 aperture. Now let's talk about camera app of Honor 8X. I like Huawei and Honor smartphones because they have many different shooting modes, such as aperture, night, portrait, photo, video. Also, you can tap on More and find out other useful modes: Pro, Slow Motion, Panorama, AR lens, and others. One of the main features of Honor 8X camera is artificial intelligence. AI algorithm recognizes up to 22 scenes and automatically adjusts different parameters such as contrast, brightness, etc. The photo settings menu has standard options, resolution, GPS tag, watermark, and much more. The video settings menu allows to choose video format and resolution. The maximum resolution is Full HD at 60 FPS. Unfortunately, there is no option for image stabilization in settings menu. As usual, let's start the review of sample photos in good lighting conditions. Here you can see photos in auto mode. As expected, the shots in daytime are great. If you have a good sunny weather, then you will definitely have good photos. Also, I made some shots in AI mode. In fact, the photos in AI mode are limited to 12 megapixels resolution. Yes, the images are bright and nice, but in my opinion, they are too contrast. I don't really like it, but if you like, then AI mode is for you. As I already said, the portrait mode really works, and you can make good photos with bokeh effect. By the way, there is even portrait mode on front camera. The selfies are also good. Talking about low light conditions, the photos are noisy and it takes some time for focus. I didn't see a big difference between night photos in auto mode and AA mode. However, Honor 8X has the night mode and it does an excellent job. So if you want to take photos at night, you need to turn on the night mode. Honor 8X shoots a video in Full HD resolution, but the main problem is the lack of image stabilization. The footage has good details and colors, but it is very shaky. It is impossible to record a good video when you are moving. It is better to stop and not to move when you are shooting a video. 8X was released about 9 months ago, and I think it had one of the best cameras on the market at that time. However, today you can find smartphones with much better cameras, for example, Redmi Note 7 or even 7 Pro. However, I like Honor 8X for different shooting modes, in particular night mode. It is great. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. See you next time.